just a camping table?
No, you will own all of them. Out in nature, we shouldn't be bogged down by complicated camping gear.
We aim for lightweight and versatile designs. That's why we created this lightweight and fully equipped camping tool. This product can replace multiple single-function gears, reducing costs. More importantly, you can save weight and space, carrying more essential life safety supplies. We proudly introduce this product that goes beyond traditional table design concepts.
It's a lightweight, all-in-one design. The tabletop uses a perforated design, reducing weight by 12%, also adding extra functional experiences.
It won the 2023 German Red Dot Award for its portability, versatility, and innovative design, earning widespread user recognition. This is a versatile outdoor camping table that can transform its shape to offer various functions and experiences. By combining the rods in different ways and pairing them with various outdoor gear, you can extend and meet a variety of camping lifestyle needs. It's under 2 pounds. Both the stand and tabletop base are made of high-strength aluminum alloy. It can achieve more than 5 functions through 3 forms: table, stand, and rod. You can connect the burner and gas tank to the tabletop for cooking, making tea, or brewing coffee. It holds up to 11 pounds.
For extra stability, you can use ground stakes.
You can also use the tabletop's lightweight hanging system, freeing up the entire tabletop space for your convenience. Extending the rods and transform them into a bonfire rack. With accessories, you can raise a campfire for boiling water and warmth. When outdoor lighting is needed, the rods fixed to the tabletop can be used as a lampstand.
Or simply connect directly after easily removing the tabletop.
Combining multiple rods with platform you to have a lightweight and stable tripod at any time, capturing beautiful moments.
We advocate for every user to lighten their load and travel easily. That's our product's design intention. This is a mature product, and we're working on more fun add-ons.
You can DIY for your own exclusive features.
We are excited to explore together. Your support means a lot.